Welcome to another exciting video where I dive into the ultimate list of kitchen must-haves. Today, I'm uncovering the top 25 best home kitchen gadgets from Amazon 2025. Smart tools that simplify cooking, save time, and make life in the kitchen way more fun. Have you ever wondered how much easier your daily routine could be with the right gadgets at your fingertips? Well, stick with me because I've got something for everyone in this lineup. The Dwelling Kitchen Olive Oil Dispenser Bottle and Sprayer Set. This 2-in-1 glass set features a non-drip spout for mess-free pouring and a BPA-free mister for delicate, aerosol-free oil sprays. Its elegant design combines durable materials like stainless steel and clear glass, ensuring functionality and style. With precise measurements and a clog-resistant filter, it's perfect for oils, vinegars, and even herb-infused blends. Whether you're whipping up a salad or grilling outdoors, this sleek kitchen essential simplifies your routine and elevates your culinary creations. The Bare Food Processor Electric Combo. Featuring an 8-cup and a mini 2.5-cup glass bowl, this versatile processor handles everything from chopping veggies to blending baby food. With a powerful 400W motor, stainless steel blades, and 2 adjustable speeds, it delivers precise textures for all your recipes. Safety features, like a hidden lock and anti-slip base, ensure hassle-free use, while the durable, dishwasher-safe glass bowls make cleanup a breeze. Perfect for slicing, grinding, pureeing, and more. This is your all-in-one kitchen helper. The Greater Goods Nutrition Scale. Featuring a sleek, food-grade glass surface, this scale offers precise measurements down to 0.0 EG, perfect for calorie counting and meal planning. With built-in nutritional values for 2,000 foods and space for 99 custom entries, it's your ultimate kitchen companion. Touch-sensitive buttons, a backlit LCD display, and easy clean design make it as practical as it is stylish. Whether tracking macros or weighing ingredients, this versatile scale ensures accuracy and convenience every step of the way. The Bambusi Bread Slicer. Crafted from eco-friendly bamboo, this foldable slicer offers 3 thickness guides for precise, uniform slices, perfect for cakes, bagels, and homemade loaves. A built-in crumb tray keeps your counters clean, while the included stainless steel bread knife ensures effortless cutting. Compact and stylish, it folds neatly for easy storage or travel. Whether for everyday use or as a thoughtful gift, this durable bread slicer adds convenience and charm to any kitchen. The Beast Blender is designed to redefine blending with its sleek countertop presence and innovative technology. Its 12-inch ribbed vessel ensures creamy, silky blends with enhanced turbulence and ice-crushing power. Equipped with smart blade technology, it monitors speed and torque for consistent performance while preventing overheating. Durable and thoughtfully crafted, it reduces noise and vibrations for a seamless experience. Make your smoothies or shakes on the go with the convenient straw cap system, or carry cap, making it perfect for active lifestyles. A blend of efficiency, style, and convenience. The Wildo Measuring Cups and Spoons Set is a must-have for precision in baking and cooking. This 21-piece set includes 7 nesting measuring cups, 8 measuring spoons, a leveler, and 5 mini spoons for all your dry and liquid ingredient needs. Crafted from premium rust-resistant stainless steel with thickened cups and sturdy one-piece handles, these tools are built for durability and ease of use. The slim rectangular spoons fit effortlessly into spice jars, ensuring no waste. Stackable with a removable ring, the set offers space-saving storage and easy access, making kitchen prep a breeze. I love that attachment is flexible to fit in any cup holder, enabling the spoon to enter and easily leave excess space and reduce future reaching. The Mirereal 6QT Enamel Dutch Oven is a versatile and stylish addition to your kitchen. Made from durable cast iron with a non-stick enamel coating, it offers exceptional heat retention and distribution, ideal for baking, stewing, or roasting. The innovative circulating shower top lid locks in moisture and nutrition, ensuring perfectly cooked meals. Its 6-quart capacity is perfect for family gatherings, and it's compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction stovetops. Easy to clean and designed for long-lasting use, This Dutch oven combines functionality with elegance, making it an essential tool for every home chef. The XV Biter Flour Sifter is a must-have tool for bakers who value precision and ease. Crafted from durable 304 stainless steel, it combines sleek design with hygiene. The sifter offers one-handed operation and a dual-function design, enabling even distribution through perforations while providing a solid side for scooping, giving you unparalleled control over your ingredients. The Neutral Bullet Every Grain Cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to simplify cooking grains and steaming. It features presets for brown rice, white rice, oats, quinoa, and more, with a steam program for veggies, fish, and other foods. The 10-cup cooking pot can handle up to 5 dry scoops of rice or grains at once, and the included steaming basket allows for simultaneous cooking. The non-stick cooking pot is PFOA-free, and all parts are dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup. With delay start and keep warm functions, it's perfect for meal prepping on your schedule. The Yamtet Grape and Cherry Tomato Cutter allows you to effortlessly cut 16 grapes or cherry tomatoes at a time, saving you time and reducing hand strain. The product is designed with no blades, eliminating the risk of rust or parts falling into your food. Made from food-grade PP material, it is safe for use and easy to clean. Simply rinse or place it in the dishwasher. Its unique Grove design ensures the tomatoes stay in place for easy cutting, and the cross-shaped cutting lines allow you to slice them into halves or quarters, depending on your needs. Ideal for making salads or snacks for kids, this versatile cutter works best with round grapes and cherry tomatoes.
The Yuli QI Electric Hot Pot is a versatile, portable cooking solution perfect for small spaces like dorm rooms, offices, and apartments. With dual power settings, it efficiently cooks a variety of meals such as ramen, soup, pasta, eggs, and more. The 1.5-liter capacity is ideal for 1-2 people, and its non-stick coating ensures easy cleaning. Safety features like overheating and boil-dry protection provide peace of mind, while the compact design and ergonomic handles make it easy to store and use. This mini hot pot is an essential tool for quick, hassle-free cooking. The HiYZ Sandwich Cutter and Sealer is a convenient 2-in-1 tool designed to quickly create crustless sandwiches with a single press. Made from durable, food-grade ABS material, it ensures safety and long-lasting use, free from harmful chemicals. This cutter allows for 50% more filling compared to standard models, making sandwiches fluffier and more satisfying. It's dishwasher safe for easy cleaning and comes with a 2-year after-service guarantee. Perfect for making sandwiches for kids and adults alike, it simplifies lunchtime prep with minimal effort. The Vintage Glassware Drinking Glasses set of 6 features 12 OZ hobnail glass cups with a unique, retro-embossed design that adds a touch of elegance to any occasion. Ideal for beverages like water, juice, cocktails, beer, or iced coffee, these sturdy BPA-free glasses are comfortable to hold and feature a non-slip grip. The set includes a cleaning brush for easy maintenance, and all glasses are dishwasher safe for convenience. Perfect for gifting, these glasses make a charming addition to home bars, parties, or dessert shops, offering both style and functionality. The XYJ 6.7-inch Serbian chef knife is a high-performance kitchen tool crafted with premium, high-carbon steel. Known for its exceptional sharpness and durability, this full-tang knife features a handmade forged blade with a hammered texture, offering a unique and stylish design. The ergonomic handle ensures comfort, stability, and control, making it ideal for precise cutting tasks. Whether for home use or outdoor activities, it comes with a protective leather sheath and a belt loop for easy carrying. Perfect for chefs, campers, or as a thoughtful gift, this knife combines practicality with superior craftsmanship. The 3-grid seasoning box with tray is a versatile and space-saving solution for organizing your kitchen condiments. This green food grid plastic container features a unique design that allows it to hang horizontally or vertically on the wall, or be stacked to save space. With a sealed lid to keep spices fresh and protected from moisture, it is perfect for storing salt, pepper, sugar, dried herbs, sauces, and more. The 3-grid seasoning box with tray sells for 10% more on the select range. Made from durable, non-toxic materials, it's easy to clean and install without the need for punching holes in the wall. The 350 ml capacity makes it an efficient storage option for various kitchen essentials. The glass pitcher with lid by AUZITA is a versatile and durable beverage container that enhances your drink serving experience. With a 64-inch capacity, it's perfect for homemade lemonade, iced tea, infused water, and more. The mason jar pitcher features a flip cap lid with a built-in filter to separate fruit or ice from the liquid, ensuring a smooth pour. Its ergonomic handle ensures comfortable and spill-free pouring. Made from high-quality, scratch-resistant glass, this pitcher is both reliable and stylish. It's also fridge-safe, making it a great choice for storing and serving a variety of drinks. The CYX stainless steel egg beater is a versatile, semi-automatic hand mixer designed to make stirring easy and effortless. This 12-inch egg beater features a spring-powered mechanism, eliminating the need for batteries or electricity. Its ergonomic design allows for quick, even mixing with minimal effort. Made from food-grade stainless steel, it is corrosion and rust-resistant, ensuring durability. This egg beater is easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. Perfect for beating eggs, whisking, frothing coffee, mixing milkshakes, making salad dressings, and more, it is an essential tool for any kitchen or bakery. The Gourmet Artiste stainless steel food mill is an essential tool for creating smooth, lump-free purees, tomato sauces, mashed potatoes, and baby food. With 3 interchangeable milling discs, you can easily adjust the grind for your needs, whether it's coarse, medium, or fine. The ergonomic design features a soft silicone handle and side hooks for secure placement on bowls and pots, ensuring comfort and stability while you work. Made of durable stainless steel, this food mill is dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Ideal for preparing healthy homemade meals, it also comes with access to exclusive recipes to inspire your cooking. The VTop Mart 8-pack glass food storage containers are the perfect solution for meal prepping and storing leftovers. Made from high-quality borosilicate glass, these containers are microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher safe, capable of withstanding extreme temperatures. Featuring airtight, leak-proof locking lids with silicone seals, they keep food fresh and prevent spills. These BPA-free containers are stain-resistant and easy to clean, offering crystal-clear visibility. The EmoJoy 18-piece knife set is crafted from high-carbon German stainless steel, ensuring long-lasting sharpness and resistance to stains and corrosion. The knives are manually sharpened to a precise 16-degree angle for effortless cutting. The ergonomic non-slip handles offer a secure grip, even when wet, for enhanced safety and ease. This all-in-one set includes a range of knives, chef, bread, santoku, utility, paring, and more, along with a sharpener and kitchen shears, all stored neatly in a walnut wood block. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this set promises quality and durability for every kitchen task. The Orion Jar Bamboo Spice Organizer is a compact and stylish solution for keeping your spices organized. Crafted from durable bamboo, this tiered rack is perfect for countertops or kitchen drawers, saving space while holding 18 labeled glass jars for easy identification. Each jar features stainless steel lids with shaker tops and comes pre-filled with essential spices like basil, cumin, and paprika. With its sustainable design and a 5-year spice refill program, this organizer adds functionality and elegance to your kitchen. The Borlaby 200W electric meat slicer is a versatile kitchen tool designed for precision and convenience. Equipped with 2 7.5-inch stainless steel blades, it effortlessly slices meats, cheeses, bread, and vegetables with adjustable thickness up to 15 inches. Made from durable die-cast aluminum, this compact slicer features non-slip suction feet for stability and a child lock for added safety. Its removable parts, including the blade and food tray, make cleaning simple. Whether prepping deli-style meats or fresh bread slices, this slicer is a reliable and space-saving addition to any kitchen. The Red Chef ceramic pots and pans set offers a healthier, space-saving, and versatile cooking experience, featuring a natural ceramic coating free from PFOS, PFOA, PTFE, and other harmful substances. This cookware ensures non-toxic and efficient cooking. Its detachable handles and stackable design save up to 75% of cabinet space, making it perfect for compact kitchens, RVs, or campers. Oven safe up to 840 TODEG F and compatible with all stovetops, it's ideal for versatile cooking needs. With advanced dual-sided ceramic coating, cleaning is effortless, ensuring durability and convenience in every use. The Umite Chef Mixing Bowl set combines versatility and durability for all your kitchen needs. This 8-piece stainless steel set includes bowls in various sizes with airtight, BPA-free lids to keep food fresh and secure. Equipped with 3 grater attachments for slicing, grating, and shredding, it simplifies food prep directly into the bowl, minimizing mess. The non-slip silicone bottoms ensure stability, while the nesting design saves storage space. Dishwasher safe for easy cleaning, these bowls feature a premium stainless steel build with a sleek, dent-resistant finish, ideal for gifting or everyday use. The Bella 2-tier food steamer simplifies healthy cooking with its versatile design, perfect for steaming vegetables, fish, tofu, or full meals with sides.